Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable backup, and then create a child theme or use a staging site so you never edit the live site directly. Next, open wp-content/themes/your theme and find footer, PHP or a template part named footer. Also check appearance right arrow customize and theme options because many themes provide a setting to edit or hide the footer credit. Use that first. It's safer and preserves update compatibility. Once the child theme contains footer, PHP, open that copy and search for static text like the theme name or phrases such as powered by, and for function calls that output credits. If you see get template part or do action tied to credits, trace the function in functions. PHP, you can safely remove or replace the echo/print line or wrap output with conditional checks. Make sure to keep translation wrappers if present, and do not edit parent theme files. Updates will overwrite them. After editing, activate the child theme or upload the modified file, then clear any cache and reload the site in multiple browsers and devices to confirm the credit is gone and the layout remains intact. If the footer text still appears, inspect widgets, plugins, or customizer exports that might reinsert it. If styling breaks, revert to your backup, then reapply changes incrementally. Troubleshooting tip. Use WP Debug and Browser Console to find PHP or JS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.